Right now, your life is changing every single day, but you can't see it because it happens slowly. One thought, one excuse, one bad habit, again and again. Then something changes. Your confidence disappears. Your dreams feel smaller. Your goals look impossible. But this is the trap. Your brain loves comfort. It avoids discomfort. That feels safe, but safe is not growth. And that's where life begins to break. It doesn't happen overnight. It happens quietly. Stop trying. You stop believing. You accept less without noticing. This is how people change. Not because they failed, because they stopped growing. And the worst part? They think everything is fine, but deep inside, they know something is wrong. They ignore the feeling again and again until it becomes normal. That is the real danger. Comfort becomes a prison. You don't notice the bars because they are inside your mind. It starts when you are young. People tell you, play it safe. Don't take risks. Stay comfortable. Your brain remembers. It builds a pattern. Soon, you stop questioning it. You simply accept it. Every choice becomes automatic. You stop making real decisions. You wake up, repeat yesterday, day after day, week after week, year after year. Nothing feels different until one morning you ask one painful question. Nothing happened overnight. It was one small choice, repeated thousands of times. Your habits became your future. This is how the brain works. The brain saves energy. It loves familiar paths, even when they hurt you. But there is good news. Your brain can change. Your brain is not fixed. It keeps learning. With every choice, every action matters, even tiny ones. Small actions become habits. Habits build your identity. Identity shapes your future. It starts today. If you're ready to change your mindset, subscribe to Hardeep and let's grow together. But changing your brain is not enough. You need to change your thinking because thoughts create actions. Actions create results, and results create your life. Most people miss this. They blame luck. They blame circumstances. But winners look inside. They control what they can control. The biggest enemy is not failure. It is the victim mindset. It makes you feel powerless. You believe everything is against you, so you stop taking responsibility. And without responsibility, there is no growth. Successful people think differently. They ask one question: what can I do next? This question changes everything because it gives you control. You stop blaming the world and start building yourself. Successful people focus on progress, not perfection. Small improvements every day create massive change. Your future self is watching, waiting for your next decision. Success is not magic. It is built through discipline, doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. Winners understand this. They don't wait for the perfect moment. They create the moment because action creates confidence. Most people choose comfort because comfort feels safe, but growth lives outside comfort. This is where most people stop. They quit when it gets hard. Successful people continue, even with fear, even with doubt, because they trust the process. Small steps create big results. The difference between winners and losers is not talent. It is consistency, showing up every single day. If you are building yourself every day, subscribe to Hardeep for more psychology and success lessons because small actions create big transformations. Your future is built today, one decision at a time. That is how successful people are created. But remember one thing: success is a journey, not a destination. Every day you become better, even when nobody notices. Growth happens silently, before everyone sees the results. Most people quit too early, right before success appears. So keep going, because your future depends on today. Every choice creates your identity. You become what you repeatedly do. Your habits shape your destiny. The person you want to become is built by the actions you take now. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a first step. One small step can change your life, and it starts with one decision. Nobody is coming to save you. Your growth is your responsibility. Your dreams need your action, not just your imagination. The life you want is waiting, but you must choose it. Start today, keep improving, and never stop becoming better. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Hardeep and watch the next video to continue your growth journey.